Okay. Aw, how lovely. They dropped a cute gift off. All right, y'all, it is jet ski time. Woo, mama! Currently back from jet skiing. Such a fun time. Spun around a few times. The water was pretty calm. I did it early that way. I didn't have to bump into too many waves, but it was still good. We had a great time. I'll get the sunblock. So we're just gonna have some beverages, some cocktails right now, and then go ahead and change. I gotta get some more TikToks out for you guys. I worked on some last night. And yeah, our trip is currently, soon approaching to its end, but Lisa say it was such a beautiful experience, being that I did grow up with Colombians. My babysitter was a Colombian, so shout out to them. This was beautiful, amazing people, super humble. If you guys ever have a place that you are thinking about visiting, Colombia is one of them. Right on the Caribbean Sea. The food is amazing, hospitality, all of it. So you heard it from the best. I'll see you guys soon. Gonna have some pool time. Okay. Thank you. I'll hold it back. Good? Oh my god, I hope I don't knock out. 3 hours now of footage. Bounce. Cheers, y'all. Zaylin, come this way. Come on. Come here, hold on. Zay, come stand with Mama. Come on. Zay, come here, come here. Right here. Say cheese here. Slow down. Slow down. Okay, come here. Let me carry you. Ready, set. Quick little shoot with the little guy and Mumsy. Alright.
But be careful with him.
Come in.
Pick him up.
Alright, hold on.
Come in, Zay, you got it? Watch your pants. I got you. Look at all these birds.
Come here, come here. No, no, no.
Come. Say cheese to Mama.
Over here. Come here. Come, Mommy. Mama.
Say cheese, Mama.
Come here. Good job. Listen now. Let's turn and look at Mommy. Come on. Hi, nice seeing you guys.
Permiso.
Okay, let's try. Now say cheese.
Let me see you stand right here.
Okay? Alright, now you turn nice. And you look at Mommy and say cheese. And now Mama's gonna spin like this. Alright. Stay going, Mommy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Careful, Zay. Did y'all know I can walk on water? I'm about to show y'all right now. He's on. I'm about to show y'all. Watch this. You gonna fall? He's showing. Stay still. Watch me walk on water.
Sí.
¿Y cómo fue su experiencia?
Spectacular.
Yeah.
It's been extremely real, but Lord willing, we'll be back to this beauty that did us so well, and that sea that brought us back. Well, everyone, I'll see you guys at the airport, if not on the road. We have a little trip to go over to Cartagena. So yeah, not much talking today.